Hi, I'm Joseph McDonough, solicitor. I'm the principal of My Case law firm. We specialise in the prosecution of GDPR and data protection cases, and we've acted for many individuals whose data has been illegally processed and who've suffered significant loss as a result. We may be able to assist you. If you are a European Union citizen, or your data is processed by a company in the European Union, and there's a breach of your personal data or illegal processing of your personal data, the data controller is obliged to take a number of steps. Number one, the data controller is obliged to make every effort to contain the breach. This is your private information. The data controller has a legal obligation to protect your data, to put a proper data management system in place, and to ensure that the effect and consequences of any illegal processing or breach of your data rights is minimized. This means stopping the unauthorized practice, recovering the records, or shutting down the system that was breached. Number two, the data controller has to try to mitigate any risk arising from the breach. Number three, in most circumstances, the data controller is obliged to report any data breach to the Data Protection Commissioner, and they have just 72 hours to do that. Number four, if the data controller assesses that the breach poses a high or severe risk to your rights and freedoms as a data subject, they have to tell you about it. In that case, they would have to tell you the nature of the breach, including, where possible, the categories and approximate number of data subjects and records affected. Also, the likely consequences of the breach, and the measures taken or proposed to be taken by the controller to address the breach and the risks it caused, and the name and contact details of the Data Protection Officer, also known as a DPO, or other contact person from whom more information can be obtained by you. You have many rights as a data subject. I suggest that you rely on them and use them to safeguard your data, which is your privacy and your life. If you have suffered significant damage as a result of a data breach or illegal processing of your data, and you've become aware of this data breach or illegal processing, then we may be able to help. Please email me at info@mycase.ie. And please also make sure to like and follow us below so that you are kept informed about your rights, and please share so that other persons may also be kept informed of their rights in this vital legal area. Many thanks for listening. Joseph McDonough, solicitor.